I bought a Yamarine 12 volt, 5 gallon per minute, 60 psi water pressure pump from Amazon. It worked very well for about 2 months and then quit. A tap on the pressure sensor would get it going again for a while, but it continued to get worse. I eventually took the sensor switch apart, sanded the contact clean, and added a DC solid-state relay, so the contact would not have to carry the full load current. I noticed that most of the 12-volt DC water pumps on Amazon have the same pressure switch, so I suspect this is a common problem for many brands and models. If you are purchasing a new pump of this design, I recommend that you also buy the solid-state relay, heatsink, and wire as shown. The solid-state relay must be of the DC type with appropriate voltage ranges and amperage rating twice your expected maximum. In my case, that would be about 35 amps, but the 60 amp one was actually cheaper. I chose this Kiter-Band DC-DC solid-state relay SSR 60DD and Senmobury solid-state relay heatsink. Pressure switch disassembly was actually quite simple. Remove the cap, that's one screw, and remove the switch, 2 more screws. Then push the inside out to separate the housings. Keep track of the pieces so that you can reassemble in the proper order and orientation. Pry off the cap over the switch itself. Here you can see the burn marks from the switch on the inside of the cover for the switch. These burn marks were caused by arcing. The contact can be opened easily by pressing on the plastic actuator. Insert a small piece of 100 grit sandpaper folded so the grit is outside on both sides. Release actuator so contact closes on the sandpaper. It doesn't take much sanding to clean the contact. Then blow out any dust, spray with contact cleaner, and reassemble. Wire as shown with the pressure switch controlling the solid-state relay and the solid-state relay switching the motor current. It doesn't matter if the wires from the switch get crossed as long as one goes to the power at terminal 2, positive, and the other goes to the control input at terminal 3, also positive. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.